Today's brought to you by Silvercrest Opportunity Fund. So we are live today talking about a new executive order that just came out. Shout out to Donald Trump. Normally not one to be very political, but huge executive order for my business here at Mobile Mailbox Money and Silvercrest Opportunity Fund. For those of you that don't know me, I'm president of Silvercrest Opportunity Fund, vice president of Win Mobile Homes, and founder of Mobile Mailbox Money. And I cash flow in a time when it's needed most, providing alternative investments to capital investors in first and second lien performing assets in some of the top markets in the nation, providing you a collateralized lending opportunity and possibly an accredited investment in our portfolio of notes in Silvercrest Opportunity Fund. Why are we going live today? Why are we talking about the executive order? There's big news for retirement savers and for anyone who loves alternative investments. Why? Because on August 17th, President Donald Trump signed an executive order as it directs federal regulators to open the door for alternatives in 401k plans. Shout out to all the individuals with big money in their IRA or 401k. Now you don't have to be so much transferring money from your 401k or anything like that into IRAs or have to roll over your 401k. Now this provides you actual availability in your 401k to invest in alternatives. That means private credit, real estate, private equity, even crypto in certain structures could become more accessible inside your retirement account. This is not an overnight green light. Fiduciary rules under ERISA still apply. Plan sponsors must check fees, liquidity, valuations of participants to protect. But here's the shift. The Department of Labor has now removed a past warning that discouraged smaller plans from touching private equity. Welcome to Silvercrest Opportunity Fund. That's a yellow light turning at least to flashing green. So what does that mean for us at Mobile Mailbox Money, Win Mobile Homes, and the Silvercrest Opportunity Fund? We're in the right place at the right time. Our affordable housing backed notes already offer strong collateralized cash flow. And now the policy climate is moving toward making options like ours retirement plan friendly and 401ks. If you have money in an IRA, that can be self-directed. But today, the easiest path for most investors is, like I said, through a self-directed IRA or solo 401k. We can see our notes wrapped in compliant funds that retirement platforms can adopt. So if you have IRA money or solo 401k now, we recommend directed IRA. They're a custodian that will custodianize your investment and help you start cash flowing with Mobile Mailbox Money in as little as a 30-day program. What's the takeaway here? You get more choice, more diversification, and a clear sign that alternative investments are stepping into the mainstream of retirement planning. So remember, this is for informational purposes only and not investment advice. You're encouraged to talk to your plan administrator or advisor to see what's right for you. But as president of Silvercrest Opportunity Fund, I can tell you the passive diversification capability for retirement savings or even just for personal investment is bar none the best place to hedge your bet. As a capital investor, why do I say that? Well, we're following an institutional investment play. What is that? Cash flowing like Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett's investments in affordable housing point where the market's going. So if you have larger capital, we can help you participate in diversified $50,000 to $100,000 assets and double-digit interest rates outside the stock market, outside fluctuations in residential pricing, outside hardships, and multifamily investment strategies. This is the bank in affordable housing. If the market is still highly unaffordable, where do people go? Affordable housing, which it happens to be that case right now, is a state of emergency. But let's say property values were to drop 25%. That could be a realistic expectation, not so much because interest rates are going to decrease here over the next, especially in the first quarter of 2026. They're hinting at September. But let's say hypothetically that property values were to drop 25% and people started getting to foreclosure and needing other solutions for housing, seeing as rental rates are $2,000 a month. Where do they go, people? They go to affordable housing. This is a once in a lifetime opportunity, and we're allowing you a backdoor view into what we do on a daily basis with our masterminds, the book that we wrote on Amazon, and providing you a bank quality stability in a time when it's needed most. What do we call that? That's mobile mailbox money. So invest today with Silvercrest Opportunity Fund, accredited in our 506C Reg D 3C1 accredited investment fund, providing bank quality stability, a 10% net return for a 1-year term, or 12% net for 3, and an income-oriented investment strategy, investing like Warren Buffett. Shout out to Donald Trump, making big waves. I think we're going to do $50 million in business over the next couple years, and that's in affordable housing. Looking for $1 million right now today to help them cash flow in as little as a 30-day program. Our minimums in the fund are $50,000. So whether you're looking for the income or just looking for diversification, we can help you with that. Call today at 602-888-CASH. Or buy note now at mobilemailboxmoney.com.